You will be amazed by this 2019 Audi A6. With less than 35,000 miles on the refined A6 couples the latest safety technology with everything you'd expect and more in a luxury midsize sedan. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Who says safe and comfortable can also be techy and powerful? See for yourself when you drive the A6.